Have you ever felt like you're on a hamster wheel, trying to better the competition, selling in a commoditized market? You can be on the hamster wheel forever or become uncopyable. Says Steve Miller in his book Uncopyable. This book completely changed how I approach my marketing and continue to innovate in the crowded training market. Hi, my name is Anil Jaising. I'm the Chief Product Owner for Concepts and Beyond and a certified Scrum trainer with Scrum Alliance. If you like the content I share, subscribe to this channel and also like my video. Disney does not sell amusement parks. It sells theme parks wrapped in once-in-a-lifetime experience. Harley Davidson does not sell motorcycles. It sells membership to an exclusively tightly knit community. It sells the ability for a 43-year-old accountant to dress in black leather, ride through small towns, and have people be afraid of them. American Girl Stores does not sell dolls. It sells girl power, increased self-esteem, and confidence. Are their prices low? Absolutely not. They are much more than most of their competition. They are not competing on pricing. They are focused on making their business uncopyable. Steve quotes in his book that if you believe your product or service is unique, think again. Technology advances have erased any chances of creating a unique product. A 2014 study, Escaping the Commodity Trap by Roland Berger and the International Controller Association, ICV, shows that 63% of the companies surveyed are already facing commoditization of their products and services. Yet only 54% have yet to take sufficient action to escape. In his book, Uncopyable, Steve Miller shares 7 rules for being uncopyable. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your product uncopyable. Number 1, look at what everybody else is doing and don't do it. Most businesses seek marketing as something else they need to do after they've done the important stuff. If you manufacture golf clubs and if you don't sell them, you will end up with a huge pile of steel. Look at your branding strategy. What promises can you make that resonates with your target audience? Look at your innovation strategy. What industries can you find to steal genius and apply to your product? McDonald's drive-thru strategy was created in 1975, stealing the idea from a bank's drive-thru window. Your product's experience strategy is a richly imprinted experience that wants to be repeated, remembered, and shared by customers. One of the highlights of my training is that it's immersive, extremely hands-on, and the learners are in the middle and center of attention, not the trainer. This could be for in-person training or for virtual training. Second, use the marketing diamond. Steve shares his marketing strategy using the marketing diamond. The first part is who's your market? How narrowly can you define your market? What do you know about your market? What keeps your prospect awake at night? What problems, challenges, obstacles, aspirations, objectives, and projects do they have? At Nordstorm, every time an idea came up, the question would be, what would Barbara feel about this? Who's Barbara? Barbara is that ideal customer. She is 40 years old, married with 2 kids, making $150,000, is sociable and upwardly mobile. Whenever we make a decision, says Nordstorm, we try to put ourselves in Barbara's head and wonder what she's thinking. Second part of your diamond is your message. Think of a dog whistle. Only dogs can hear it. Your message is delivered from the market's perspective. Third point on the diamond is media. Where are your prospects? Are they coming to a conference? Then put up a booth. If they're on LinkedIn, find ways to build a community and deliver value to them on LinkedIn. The fourth point on the diamond is moment. When any one of your prospects thinks they need a product or service, do they think of you first? If they want to pay less, they go to my competition. That offers them 50 people in a class, and that too in an online class. When they want to get a rich experience and exclusive treatment, then they think of how they felt the last time they were in my class. Number 3, don't just think outside the box, build your own box. If you have a funny way to express yourself or have an outsized personality, many trainers have that in my industry, their classes are always sold out because that is uncopyable. Own a word or a phrase like the word safety is owned by Volvo. Disney World is known by the phrase happiest place on earth. Amazon owns the word responsive. Ben and Jerry is quirky. We at Concepts and Beyond own the phrase learning made fun. Own your own language. Starbucks taught us how to order coffee, the venti, half calf, triple skinny, extra hot, and much, much more. Disney does not have guests. They have customers, and employees are cast members. We at Concepts and Beyond don't have students. We have friends, and our employees are called facilitators. That makes it easy for everyone to have a great experience and connect with each other. Number 4, steal genius. Stealing genius requires you to put yourself in a position that is uncomfortable and foreign to you. You study alien organizations and alien experiences. Think of Costco. You come in to buy milk and some groceries. You invariably buy a lot more because milk is placed at the very end. Just like trade shows, the biggest exhibitor is at the end. You have to pass several smaller exhibitors before you get there. Las Vegas Casino forces you to walk in a drunken serpentine fashion around the casino. Number 5, develop an uncopyable experience. People who are in your inner circle are treated as cool kids. Club 33 is the best restaurant in Orange County, but it's the only place in Disneyland property that serves alcohol. The food is spectacular and its ambience is amazing. It's an invitation-only restaurant. Give clients something that nobody has. Proprietary information or original content that is only shared with customers. Become the facilitator of the club you build. You become someone who can help connect others to someone else in your network. This value is extraordinary. Think of how many you can help get a job or the next business deal by connecting them with your network. Look forward for opportunities to do something outside your product. If you visit US Open Tennis in Queens and if you drive a Mercedes, you get free valet parking. If you drive Lexus, find your own parking. Number 6, create Rockstars from your customers. When my daughter went to Disney for her birthday and we paid for the Disney's birthday package, the Disney princess's first over her, she was treated special and like a princess. It was her special night. Treat your customers like rock stars. Create an Academy Award that you can award your customers. Everyone likes to feel special. This is your opportunity to acknowledge, recognize, and reward. Number 7, create breakthrough referrals. Have you considered being on top of your customer's mind? How would you do that? Share informative articles in a newsletter. Share valuable information for your target audience on social media. Write a book that gives you a stamp of authority on a topic. So to summarize, the 7 rules that changed my business strategy made me think about marketing and innovation instead of just being a producer. 1, look at what everybody else is doing and don't do it. 2, use the marketing diamond framework. 3, don't think outside the box. Build your own box. 4, steal genius by looking at other industries and see what you can copy. 5, develop an uncopyable experience that goes beyond your product. 6, create rock stars from your customers. And 7, create breakthrough referrals. I hope you really liked this video. Write down in the comments field what else would you like me to share in my next video on product management and product ownership. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. See you next time.